Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger could not send message problem. So if you are facing the same issue that you send message on Messenger and Messenger says that could not send this message. So if you can't send the message on Messenger, then what you can do is, so first of all, just open up the Play Store on your mobile and then search for this Messenger, and after searching you have to see that you are using the latest version or not. If there is any update, just make sure to update the messenger. After updating, your problem will be solved. If there is still issue, then what you can do is you have to go to the phone settings, and then after you have to go for this app management. Click on this app list, and from here you have to search messenger like this, and from here you have to tap on this storage and cache. Just tap on this clear cache and tap on this clear data also. After doing this, just go for this permission and make sure to allow all the permissions to the messenger application. Just allow all the permissions, and then after doing all this process, just log out to the messenger application and log in again and just restart your mobile. After doing all this process, your problem will be solved. If there is still any issue, then what you can do is just log out your messenger, stay logged out for 24 hours, and after 24 hours just log in your messenger application and it will be solved. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.